So it occurred to me the other day that I haven't actually done a driving video with a JCW Countryman. So I thought today I would fix that problem by driving one. So let's get to it. So because this car is so new, I'm not going to be removing much of the plastic on the inside. In fact, the only thing I took off was the seat cushion. This is a $50,000 car, and you don't want to make a $50,000 car look dirty. We have a very short drive that I'm able to do with it, so let's get cracking. And we're gonna put it in sport. Now I have a microphone and camera attached to the outside of the car, so you will see and hear exactly how this car sounds. And for my discomfort, I'm going to turn off the air conditioning because you can actually hear me better when I have it off, much to my dismay. Put the transmission in Sport Plus. Go ahead and turn the navigation on just for kicks. And off we go. Incredibly fun. So if you haven't driven a JCW Countryman, it is a incredible experience. Even better when you can actually do it on roads where no one is trying to kill you while driving. But this is just amazing. I really like this car. Now it's a 301 horsepower, 331 foot-pounds of torque, front limited slip differential, mechanical that is, not electronic. 0 to 60, 4.9 seconds. And just a whole lot of fun to drive. Now it's a little bit slower than the JCW Clubman, which is 4.7 seconds, but it's still plenty quick for a high-performance compact crossover. And I just love it. Now, I don't have a head-up display there, but it is optional. The dynamic stability control when you're rounding corners in this thing is incredible. You would think a taller vehicle, it would tend to have a lot of body roll, but the way the Countryman is designed, the weight is all down low, so the center of gravity is down low, makes it very easy to thrash it through corners. Demonstrate. Just went into this corner going 65 miles an hour. We're going about 46, maybe 50, and it's just holding the corner. And that was incredible. Grip is amazing with this car. And of course I get a Maserati in front of me. That ruins my day. You're driving a Maserati, drive it like a Maserati. This means I get a do-over, so I get to go around and do this again. Because you ruined my drive. And around we go. Missouri are terrible drivers and very rude. Oh wait, we're still on the Kansas side of the border. Okay, people in Kansas are terrible drivers and very rude. We get to go round two. Ding! This time we went in this corner going with 70. Oh my gosh! But see, it's holding it. It's holding it. It's holding the corner. And there we go. Now we can finish this up with the corner I wanted to do. And hopefully no one's going to get in my way. Except probably that Tundra. Nope. They're not getting in my way. And except that Toyota up there probably will get in my way. Just incredibly fun. Well, he didn't quite get in my way, but that was incredible. And that concludes our fun drive with the JCW Countryman. Now, if you want to test drive one of your own, head over to your local Mini dealership and do it. Hopefully they will let you drive it the way it's meant to be driven. If they don't, buy the car and then drive it the way it was meant to be driven. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like below. Don't forget to comment. Check out my playlist at the end of this video on the JCWs and on the Countryman. And as always, life is too short to drive a boring car, so drive the Mini. I'll see you all in the next video, and hopefully you'll see me in the next video, because this video you didn't see me, but I'll see you all next time.